Hi, this is Ryan at Cotton Eye Joe's in Weaverville, North Carolina. And today I'm going to show you a couple different digging tools to use to get into this hard-packed red clay we have up here in the mountains. Prior to moving up here, I had never used anything but a shovel. I was down in Florida, and to get in the ground, all we needed was a shovel. And I learned fast that you need a little something heavier duty up here. So here's the ground. I don't know how well you can tell here, but it's been kind of dry. You can see some cracks forming in the soil. I mean, you're talking hard packed red clay. This is no joke. You try and get a shovel in there and it's just not happening. You know, trying to plant 10, 20 plants in a day gets tiring real fast. So sometimes I'll start with a shovel. I don't even really at this point go for a shovel when I'm starting holes anymore. But if I do, it's going to be a pointed tipped round shovel like this. I find these work the best and give you a little more digging power having that point on there. These two are going to be your best friends. What we've got here is a heavy duty digging fork. This one's by Spear and Jackson. You get anything with a forged metal, all one piece. I mean, spend the 40 bucks. These things will break on you real quick otherwise. So forged fork. This one's about 3 feet. I'm 6 foot, so 3 feet is good enough. Gives you a little more play with it. And then this guy gets a ton of use. This is a Pickmatic. I'd say probably about 2.5 feet, but it's got a flat side and a pick side, kind of like a pickaxe. The reason it's different from a pickaxe is because of that flat side, and that's the side you're going to use most often. The pick is good for busting through rocks and stuff like that if you need that, but using this guy will give you some good swinging power, and you just kind of chunk it into the clay like you're taking a pickaxe into a cave somewhere. So if you're having trouble getting through your land, your ground, pick up a couple of these. I would definitely say you should have both a digging fork and a Pickmatic in your arsenal. Alright, thanks for watching.